Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video about TST TBC shopping token. And today I'm going to share with you guys how to become a TST agent. Okay, all right. So being a TST agent is more than just filling out the registration form. Okay, first of all, you have to be a TST holder. Okay, so if you are watching this and you have not bought TST, then the first thing you have to do right now is to buy TST. All right, and the best way to buy it is to buy it right now that we are offering a huge, massive discount. Okay, and the deadline, we fit the deadline for 30th, but we might launch the TST program earlier. But I'm just deliberating with my team to see how we can launch a program earlier and probably maybe put a halt to the discount sale, okay, which will give those TST agents the opportunity for them to like sell their TST at the current market rate of TST. Okay, so if you want to know about the current market rate of TST, you can visit nomics.com or you visit coindataflow.com. All right. So if you have not bought TST, you can go to TST website, which is going to be in the link in the description below, or you can contact me directly via my phone number or via via Telegram message or via WhatsApp message. Okay. Now, after you've bought your TST, then you can now come and click on the TST registration form. Okay, if you don't have it, if you cannot access it through the description in the description of this video, you can contact me directly or ask in the comment section, and I will give you the link for you to sign up to be a TST agent. Okay, so the first step is you put in your full name, your email address, correct email address, your street address, okay, correct one, your city, your state, your country, then your phone number. Then you provide your TST address. The reason for providing your TST address is for us to confirm that you have TST, okay, that you have TST, okay. So if you provide your address, then you now upload your portrait picture. When I say portrait picture, I don't mean full picture. I mean a picture that shows your head to your shoulder. Okay, that's what a portrait picture is. Okay, from your head to your shoulder. Now, once you've submitted this file or this picture, you can click submit. All right. So once you click submit, we will handle the rest. Okay, from the back end. And when the TST agent program is finally reviewed, you will see your information. Okay, you will see your information, and if you want anything updated, you can contact me directly. I will have that updated. So it's a very simple process. First step is make sure you have TST. If you don't have TST or you have not started in TST, you start by getting a wallet, buying TST from the website, TST website, and then move to the second stage, which is filling out the form. Okay, the links to the TST website is going to be in the description below. Okay, the links, my contact information is going to be in the description below. The TST registration form, which is this form, is going to be in the description below. Okay, so if you don't have access to those information, you can contact me directly or you can drop your comment in the comment section. Okay, and make sure that you also check your email for our response. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you sign up to become a TST agent because there's a lot of upside to being a TST agent. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. Till I see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching and have a blessed day.